Welcome back, friends. This is Rajesh Singh, your trainer, and you are watching Ayansh tutorials. In this video, you will revise imperative narration. Before starting the video, I would like to request you to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for all notifications. Friends, in this video, you will know rules of sentences with request, rules of sentences with advice, rules of sentences with order, rules of sentences with proposal or suggestions. In imperative sentences, reported speech contains a command, proposal, request, advice, or order. The verb in the reported speech is changed according to the mood of the reported speech. Imperative mood is changed into the infinitive mood. Comma and inverted commas are replaced by the word to. First, request. We should keep in mind while changing narrations. In such sentences, the reported speech contains the word please or kindly. As the reported speech contains a request, the words said to in the reporting speech are replaced by requested. Comma and inverted commas are replaced by the word to. The word please or kindly is removed without any replacement. Example, Faha said to his friend, please lend me your camera. Answer, Faha requested his friend to lend him his camera. Second, advice. If the reported speech contains advice, the words said to in the reported speech are changed into advised. Comma and inverted commas are replaced by the word to. Example, the doctor said to him, avoid unhealthy food. Answer, the doctor advised him to avoid unhealthy food. Example, his father said to Jane, work hard lest you should fail. His father advised Jane to work hard lest you should fail. Third, order. In such sentences, the reported speech contains order or command, and mostly the reported speech starts with the first form of the verb. The words said to in the reporting speech are replaced by ordered. Comma and inverted commas are replaced by the word to. Example, the boss said to the employee, get out of the room. The boss ordered the employee to get out of the room. Fourth, proposed or suggested. If the reported speech starts with the words let us, the words said to in the reporting speech are changed into proposed or suggested to. Comma and inverted commas are replaced by the word that. The words let us are replaced with the words we should or they should according to their subject and object in the reporting speech. If either of subject or object in reporting speech is first person, the words we should are used, and if these are in third persons, the words they should are used. Example, Ali said to Paha, let us watch a movie. Ali approached to Paha that they should watch a movie. He said to his friend, let us go to shopping. He suggested to his friend that they should go shopping. Imperative sentences starting with the word let. If the reported speech starts with the word let, the words said to in the reporting speech are changed into told or asked. Comma and inverted commas are replaced by the word to. Example, the man said to the peon, let the boys come in. The man told the peon to let the boys come in. Second example, the mother said to the daughter, let the guests start their dinner. The mother told the daughter to let the guests start their dinner. These sentences can be changed in another way. The words said to are replaced by told, and the use of words might be allowed to after the subject is used in direct form of speech. The manager said to him, let the visitor come in. The manager told him that the visitor might be allowed to come in. Thank you for watching this video. Visit again my channel. Bye.